are we going to do, Kuya? Nasaan si Kuya? Ayun! Hello! Ayun, si Kuya. Anong gagawin natin, Kuya? Unbox natin, no? No, last time, ito yung in-unbox namin. Yung Christmas gift namin sa kanila. Yung Nerf na Ultra. Then, ngayon, unbox natin yan. Oh, ano gagamitin natin pang unbox, Kuya? Scissors. Excuse me. Ito, in-order namin sa Shopee. Yan. Yes. Kay Gio. Nasaan si Kuya?
Hello.
You cannot see them.
Hello.
Hello. 3, 2, 1, game! See? It's not going down. Ooh. Ooh.
Tada!
Wow. No, Gio. No, Gio. Tapon na natin to. Tapon. Look. I got this one. This is a off-road tracer. Okay. It's 4-wheel drive. Look. It's a 4-wheel drive. And it's remote control RC off-road. Okay?
And look.
Look.
And look. Different.
Yeah, are different colors, but this one is color gray. I know. It's color gold. Oh, it's gold. We'll open later. Let's open yung kay Gio first.
Let's open it.
Wag na to. Wag na. No more. I'm just joking. Let's open. Ooh. Look. What? Oh, it's also an off-road tracer. Same lang kay Kuya. What color is it? Oops. Is it also color gold? Maybe not. We will need to open this one. Oh!
Imagine.
Yeah. One for Kuya and one for Gio. Show it to the camera. High strength shock. Okay? The car guard frame and oversized tires. So nice. Show it to the camera. Show it, Gio.
Ta-da!
Show it. Ta-da! Gio, show your car.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Ta-da! Where's yours, Gio? That's nice. Okay, let's move to opening na. Gio, let's open inside. Show it to the camera. Ooh,
Amazing!
that's so cool.
I got a green!
Kuya got gray one.
And then here got gold!
Here's the remote control. Okay. How about you, Gio? Oh, Gio got black one. Looks awesome. Gio, that's nice. Where's your battery? Oh, Kuya got 2 sets of batteries. So we can use it na. No?
Yeah.
Oh, Gio, are you excited? No. What happened? Oh, ang gandang ano nakuha ni Gio, oh.
Gold! And me too!
It's so nice, Gio.
He can.
Pay attention like that.
And then he will come for me and then put
Yeah.
it.
Maybe we can put the camera right here at the back so we can see how it moves.
Yeah.
Like this, oh. Ooh, it's so cool. Or dito, oh. While it's moving. Diba?
That's right.
That is so cool. Oh, let's try to use the kuya, and Gio. The battery. Lumot muna natin ito, ha? Gio, are you happy? Gio, what's your answer? Are you happy?
Happy. You can like this.
What? Gio is not happy. No, Gio is just joking. Are you excited, Giovanni? Yes or no? Yes. Let's try Kuya's Oh, but there's another box.
Later on.
Come on. Let's put on the battery. So, meron na siyang kasamang dalawang set ng battery.
Oh.
And a screw.
On and off.
And a charger. Oh, it's rechargeable, Kuya.
And it's on and off.
Yeah. And here's the battery, I guess, for the car. And one for the remote control. One set. Okay. Let's try. Come on, give it to me. This is the on-off. And then the battery should be put right here. Okay. Let's open. Oh yeah. Let me open this one. Yan. Then put the cover back. And the screw. Okay. I think this one is ready. Give me that one. Then the remote control. Give kay Gio. Dito muna kay Gio. Gio's car can wait. Then let's put the battery. This one, the remote control.
And me too.
Remove.
Tell me.
This. Then put back the cover. Okay.
Oh yeah.
And the screw. Then maybe we can try this one, Kuya's car. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's turn it on. It looks so fast. Ooh. Wow.
Whoa.
It's so nice. Oh. Look, oh. Wait lang. It is working.
Give me that.
Kuya will play na, oh. Go back. Kuya will play first. Come on, Gio. Give me yours. Sit down ka dun. Yan. This is Gio's battery. He already opened it. And then, yung screw.
Whoa.
Open natin. Same lang. Turn off muna natin. Ooh, it's ready, Giovanni. Ay, nakokontrol mo rin to, kuya. Aka na, Gio. So, meron silang same frequency. Nakokontrol din ni kuya yung kay Gio. Gimme. Let's try. So it's working. Oh, so nice, and it looks so fast. Yeah, so nice. Oh,
No!
oh, you can try na dito sa baba. So yun, tatry na namin gamitin dito sa baba. Then siguro tatry namin na ilagay yung camera mamaya. Okay? You messed up the gorilla rampage. Oh my god. Gio, yun yung sa'yo. You get yours. Lagay mo dito. Ayun o. Kuhanin mo. Oh, kuya, what happened? What?
Hey, there's a leg!
Oh my god. You are destroying. What? It's stuck, kuya.
Hey, get that!
Oh no. This one, oh.
Whoa!
Oh, masisira na. Gio, get the black one. Okay. Ayun na yung isa. It's so strong, no? So, aside from dun sa gift namin sa kanila, meron pa akong binili isa separately. So, sana yung frequency nito iba dun sa dalawa para ma-enjoy nila na hindi nakokontrol ng isang remote yung isa't isa kasi nagkakagulo. So, ito yung isang binili ko. Dapat akin to talaga eh. Kay daddy to eh. Pero, tingnan natin kung mas maganda siya. Okay. Let's... So, ito yung isa. Ah, parang pareho lang din. Pareho lang din. Alam ko iba yung in-order ko eh. Parang pareho lang. Medyo hindi siya maganda yung pagkaka-box kasi wala siyang separate box. Ay, pareho lang, kuya. Ay! I thought this is a different one.
Lost the 10 toys.
May naisira na yung box niya. This one is colored. Yeah, this should be daddy's one. And then, wala siyang kasamang batteries. Wala siyang kasamang batteries, so hindi kagaya nung isa meron na. O, try natin. Tapos wala rin siyang kasamang screw. No, kuya? Abot mo nga yung screw kay daddy yun, oh. Yan.
So tiny.
Tingnan natin. Pero feeling ko wala talaga siya kasamang battery.
Oh? Pizza. Go. Let's run.
So wala talaga siyang kasama. Yung dalawang nauna may kasama na. bale maghanap tayo bukas ng battery o yung rechargeable. Pero, pareho lang siya. Pero Kuya Luke, oh,
Disney.
wala tong antena. May antena ba yan? Wala.
Disney.
Remote mo. Sit down dun.
Disney.
No, sit down ka dun. Tignan mo nga yung remote. May antena ba yan? Wala din. Ah, meron. Ito walang antena. Diba? So, siguro parang magkaiba lang sila. Ito may kasama siyang battery na sa loob. Pero yung remote control, walang kasamang battery. Kuya, let's try if this one will work.
Let's try.
Go get one remote control.
This one.
Yes, you try. Come on. This one! No, this one! Try this one. Go. It's not working.
Not.
Yeah, it's not working. Let's try to...
It's not good.
Let's interchange the battery.
It's not.
Gio, what are you doing there, Giovanni? It's not working then. Why is it not working?
Because wala ito. Wala.
Do you think? Kasi ganyan talaga siya, oh.
Hey! Ha?
Wala talaga siyang antena.
Wala camera na yan. Hindi siya control.
But it's not really working at all, no?
These are good.
Tapos parang meron na siyang ayan may moist. Ayan para siyang namamasa. Tapos basically, nilagyan namin siya ng battery. Hindi talaga siya gumagana, oh. Ayan. It's not really working. Oh, naka-turn on na siya.
Ikaw,
Off.
Victoria.
On. It's not really working. No, kuya.
Yeah.
I think it's broken. Maybe we can try the battery of one of those.
Yeah. Hey.
Even trying to this one, Jerry one, it's not really working the remote control. I think the red one is really broken. Try natin pagpalitin ng battery.
Ha?
Paano mo yan?
Uy.
Oh, I think I found the problem. Hindi lang siya hindi lang siya nakasaksak. But I think it will work now.
Oh no.
May basa talaga siya. Ayan, oh. Sweat. No, kuya?
Other way.
Oh, it is working. Yeah, it is working.
Dada.
Oh! I just forgot how to,
It's a hit.
But, can you get the other remote?
Ha?
Get the other remote. Gimme. Oh, wag mo itago sa ilalim yung screw. Oh! So this one is working here. And this one remote only works for this one.
It's
So we can play it separately na. You will enjoy too. Okay?
Huh?
Yeah, this one is for this one. Now go. Oh, this one. And this one. Oh. This one.
Oh.
Perfectly works for the red one. Okay?
Hindi siya gana siya. Dalawa.
Mm-mm.
Uy!
Mamaya na, Rael. So, yun, maganda. So, yung binili ko na separate na kulay pula. Ito yung remote niya, iba. So, magkaiba sila ng frequency. Ito, gumagana lang sa pula. And then, yung dalawa, gumagana sa kahit anong remote. So, they can now enjoy playing the toy separately. Kasi kanina, hindi na-enjoy ni Gio. Kasi, nakokontrol ni Kuya, pareho. Tapos, nakokontrol din ni Gio, pareho. It's messed up. So, let's try. Mag-enjoy ngayon yung mga bata. Okay, see you later. So yan, gumawa kami ng parang uphill track. Akyat dun sa tuktok. The one who comes on the top will win.
Yeah!
Yeah! Say hi, Gia. Hi! Hi, Kuya. Kuya!
Hi!
What?
No!
Not yet. Go get the car. Dali. Kuya, go up. It's gonna be a race. Wait lang, sabay kayo. Susubhin na. Gio, dito ka, Gio. 3, 2, 1, ready, go!
Hello! Hi, Mom.
Okay! Daddy White! Look, Daddy White on top! Yay! What? Going down naman. Wait lang, ayusin natin.
Yeah.
Ayan, pwede na yan.
Let's go!
We can do going down. But here. Gotta stop again. Try it.
Let's go! He just listen.
And sige, go up. Go. Slowly go up. Yeah. Yeah. On top now. Going down. Let's go, going down. Ayan na. Dapat na. You cannot move forward. Alright, let's charge na. Limit.
Let's go!
It cannot move. Dapat na. Let's go. Yay! Okay.
Let's go!
Bye-bye.
Baby!
Hindi kami nakapaglaro sa labas kasi umuulan. It is raining. Ay! Iya. Si Jenjay. Oh! Oh, oh. Rael, stop. Bye-bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye, Muso.
Baby!
Nandito kami sa clubhouse ngayon para maanda rin sa mga damo itong cars nila. Yes. Ayan na, nag-go na ulit kasi ayan, kita mo ka. Yes,
Let's go!
Stop na natin, makulit ka. What can you say about the toy, Kuya and Gio?
So cool.
It's so cool. Sit down ka na dyan. Yan. Okay? So nice, no?
Yeah.
And it's so strong. It's a really nice toy. 5 stars?
Yeah.
Yes, 5 stars. How about you, Gio? Are you happy?
Give me 5 stars.
Yes.
So cool.
Yeah. How? Is it 5 stars?
5 stars.
Or 1 star? 5 stars. Okay, say bye na. Gio, play. Say bye. So excited na mag-play, oh. Bye. No, mag-play pa kami ng sa labas mamaya nito. Okay?
Yeah.
Say bye, kuya.
Good boy.
Bye-bye, Gio.
Bye-bye, Gio.
Bye.